Are you wondering how to use rosemary oil, or what are some of the benefits of rosemary essential oil? If so, stick around. I'm going to share with you some of my favorite ways that I like to use rosemary essential oil. I'm Mandy Summers, and for the best essential oil education, hit the subscribe button and click the bell so that you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video about essential oils. I've been using essential oils for 9 years now and teaching about the powerful benefits of essential oil, and rosemary is one of my favorite oils to use. Rosemary is an evergreen shrub with needle-like leaves and a woodsy aroma. Rosemary essential oil is one of the most popular aromatic and medicinal plants on the planet. Research indicates that inhaling rosemary essential oil helps prevent the breakdown of a brain chemical important for concentration, thinking, and memory. Rosemary has also been known to help stimulate hair growth. This is done by preventing a byproduct of testosterone from attacking your hair follicles. Additionally, those who use rosemary report less scalp itching. Rosemary may also help prevent pain. In folk medicine, rosemary was used as a mild pain reducer. In a 2-week study, stroke survivors with shoulder pain who received rosemary blend with acupressure for 20 minutes twice daily experienced a 30% reduction in pain. Those who received only acupressure had a 15% reduction in pain. Rosemary can also help repel certain bugs. It's great to use in your garden or even along your window tracks to deter ants and other certain bugs from coming into your home. Rosemary may also help ease stress. When 22 young adults sniffed rosemary for 5 minutes, their saliva had 23% lower levels of stress hormone cortisol compared to those who smelled a non-aromatic compound. As many of us know, increased cortisol levels can suppress your immune system, contribute to insomnia, and cause mood swings. Rosemary has also been known to help support the body in increasing circulation. Have you used rosemary essential oil? If so, I want to know how. I want to know your recipes and the different ways that you are incorporating this amazing essential oil in your daily routine. Please post in the comments below so that we all can learn from you. Don't forget to download my free guide with 14 ways I like to use rosemary essential oil. The link will be in the comments below. And as always, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Comment helpful if this video was helpful for you. You can also comment on other essential oils that you would like me to highlight in my next YouTube videos. Looking forward to seeing you next time. And remember, you are amazing.